Docker and Kubernetes tutorial for beginners. If you're tired of spinning your wheels learning how to deploy web applications, this is the course for you. C+CD workflows? You will learn it. AWS deployment? Included. Kubernetes in production? Of course. This is the ultimate course to learn how to deploy any web application you can dream up. Docker and Kubernetes are the newest tech in the DevOps world and have dramatically changed the flow of creating and deploying web apps. Docker is a technology that allows applications to run in constructs called containers, while Kubernetes allows for many different containers to run in coordination. Docker from scratch. In this course you'll learn Docker from absolute fundamentals, beginning by learning the answer to basic questions such as, what is a container? And, how does a container work? From the very first few lectures, we will do a deep dive into the inner workings of containers, so you get a core understanding of exactly how they are implemented. Once you understand what a container is, you'll learn how to work with them using basic Docker CLI commands. After that, you'll apply your newfound mastery of the Docker CLI to build your own custom images, effectively Dockerizing your own personal applications. C+CD pipelines. Of course, no course on Docker would be complete without a full understanding of common continuous integration and continuous deployment patterns. You will learn how to implement a full C+CD workflow using GitHub, Travis C, and Amazon Web Services, creating a pipeline that automatically deploys your code every time you push your latest changes to GitHub. Multi-container deployments on AWS. After building a deployment pipeline, you'll apply it to master both single container and multi-container deployments on Amazon Web Services. You will construct a multi-container application utilizing Node, React, Redis, and Postgres, and see the amazing power of containers in action. Note, all JavaScript coding in this course is optional. The full source code is provided if you don't want to write JS. Kubernetes. Finally, you will tackle Kubernetes, a production-grade system for managing complex applications with many different running containers. You will learn the right way to build a Kubernetes cluster. This course doesn't have any of those annoying, don't do this in production, comments. You will first build a Kubernetes cluster on your local machine, then eventually move it over to a cloud provider. You'll even learn how to set up HTTPS on Kubernetes, which is harder than it sounds. Who this course is for? 1. Software engineers looking to deploy their apps easily and quickly. What will I learn? 1. Learn Docker from scratch, no previous experience required. 2. Master the Docker CLI to inspect and debug running containers. 3. Build a C+CD pipeline from scratch with GitHub, Travis C, and AWS. 4. Understand the purpose and theory of Kubernetes by building a complex app. 5. Automatically deploy your code when it is pushed to GitHub.